Tesmanian is reporting that Tesla CEO Elon Musk is now in the United Kingdom for new Gigafactory location talks. This is a rumor, but that's what Tesmanian reports based on Elon Musk's private jets landing in Luton International Airport today. But let's get started from the very beginning. This is Armen Haryan from TalkNews.com, and I'm going to tell you the details, everything right now. On Wednesday, today, Tesla CEO paid a visit to the United Kingdom with the possible goal of considering a site for a new factory or research and development center. In recent days, European media and Torque News have hinted several times that Tesla is looking for a place for its new Gigafactory in the United Kingdom. According to reports, the British government is looking for an industrial site for a California automaker, for Tesla. The United Kingdom's Department for International Trade, DIT, was preparing to search for an area of about 4 million square foot to build a research and development and manufacturing plant for Tesla. People have already called this a Tesla Gigafactory in the United Kingdom. The government is working with industry to help make the United Kingdom the location of choice to develop world-class electric technologies. Department of International Trade is working closely with partners to scope out sites with new investment into electric vehicle research, development, and manufacturing across the United Kingdom, said a DIT spokesperson to Property Week, a magazine that reports commercial and residential property market news in the United Kingdom. Property Week reported the space was for a Tesla Gigafactory. According to the report, the 650-acre Gravity Industrial Park in Somerset in southwestern England is being considered as a possible site for a Tesla factory. If you look at Torque News reports several days ago, last week, I reported everything in details with some pictures of what this Somerset Industrial Park is. Tesla is currently experiencing a massive expansion in Europe with its first full-fledged Giga Berlin plant and the new R&D center in Berlin. Both are reported at Torque News. If you are interested in this, you can look at our videos, friends. In fact, speaking of Giga Berlin, today is the first day when concrete was laid at the foundation of Giga Berlin, a major step in the production in the construction of the plant in Germany. And also we have reported that very possibly in the gasometer of Berlin, Tesla is going to house its research and development design center. So according to Tesla's CEO Elon Musk, before Tesla chose Germany as a location for the factory, the company considered United Kingdom. At that time, this decision seemed too risky. Musk said that Tesla considers the country as a possible place, but considers it too risky due to the termination of United Kingdom's membership in the European Union and the procedure associated with the Brexit. But lately, the situation could change. On Wednesday, today, at 12:19 p.m. local time, which is 7:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, this morning, US time, Elon Musk's private jet landed at Luton Airport. At the moment, the purpose of this visit is not exactly known, but in the light of recent events, this is possible in order to consider the sites for the future location of Tesla in the United Kingdom, in the country. In early May, Tesla submitted a document to the relevant authorities in order to become an energy supplier in the United Kingdom. Musk previously stated that Tesla Energy could be as large or even larger than the car sector of the company. So perhaps the company is looking for a location in the United Kingdom to develop in this direction. We don't know it, but we're going to find out. But here's what I also say. Since if this is true, if the Elon Musk is already in the United Kingdom, we also see for talks for Tesla Gigafactory or a manufacturing plant in the United Kingdom in Somerset. Not that the Giga Berlin is making good advances, and we are in the range of in the phase of groundbreaking, foundation being built. I'm starting to think, and let me know if you agree, that after this trip is finished, and since if the international travel is already allowed to some degree, maybe Elon Musk after UK will travel also to Berlin in the next couple of days, and we may see him in Berlin the next couple of days for an official groundbreaking of Giga Berlin. What do you think, friends? Do you see this is a possibility? Let me know, and let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. So apparently, like I said, according to Tesmanian, on Wednesday at 12:19 p.m. local time, Elon Musk's private jet landed at Luton Airport. Luton, London Luton Airport, previously called Luton International Airport, is an international airport located 1.5 miles east of Luton town center in the county of Bedfordshire, England, and is 28 miles north of central London. And now Elon Musk's plane, private jet, landed at Luton Airport. At the moment, like I said, the purpose of this visit is not exactly known, but in the light of recent events, this is possible in order to consider the sites for the future location of Tesla in the country, in the United States. And I'm also adding to this that it is possible that after the UK trip, Elon Musk may even travel further east to Germany, to Berlin, to visit the site of Giga Berlin, and also be present at some type of official groundbreaking ceremony. Do you see this as a possibility as well? If yes, please comment below and let me know what you think about this, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video to show your appreciation of all our friends who help us to chronicle Tesla and automobile industry at Torque News, especially focusing on electric cars, and also ring the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload our next story. I'll see you soon in our next story, and have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you. Take good care of each other and love your family members, and have a blessed day. See you soon, friends.